Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful Bootstrap 5 responsive, fully customized admin dashboard template homepage. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So guys, see beautiful homepage dashboard. So now guys, beautiful toggle sidebar, just brilliant. Top search, activity logs you can get. See my guys, quick links, messages, alerts, updates, logs as well. The theme type, like now we get light and now this is the dark and system as well. Wait, the toggle as well. So fancy. Now I will show you the contact section. See, beautiful invite friends pop up. Now new project toggle as well. See guys, just brilliant. And now the beautiful stats section. See, store analytics. See total all my stats, beautiful chart, all my visitors, was sales. See guys, just brilliant. Top sales, new customers, quick app, top selling categories. See my friends, quick start, online store, position rate, sales strategy. See guys, just brilliant. List by country, social network visits, department, see my friends, list by source, author sales, just brilliant. Full bar chart and photo section here. Scroll to top as well. Just brilliant. And guys, like always, the template is fully responsive. So no need to worry about responsiveness, my friends. See the fully responsive template for you. Good. And the other as well. Samsung Galaxy. More you will get full responsive as well. Yes, it's fully responsive as well. So guys, if you will have any kind of queries, reaction or requirement, then feel free to comment down this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. There's a blog. You can contact me via here. You will get the contact page. On this page, you will get my email ID and WhatsApp number as well. A guy, I'll put a freelancer. You can hire me as well for your project. And guys, also on my blog, you get multiple free admin dashboard templates and all are free of cost. See friends, all the admin dashboard is free. And multiple things like Angular, React, Vue.js, Laravel, WordPress, and Bootstrap 5 as well. Right? All the things you'll get free of cost. And guys, in the end, I must say get I must say a few things like please subscribe my channel, support me, and after it, I will come with more free dashboards. So friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.